Hi, and thanks for joining our video tutorial on how to connect Colossyan to different apps using Zapier and easily automate video creation and distribution. First, let's create our video. For this example, we can use a simple sales outreach video and personalize the automated videos by adding a name in curly brackets. Next, let's go to Zapier, where we will create a new Zap. You can choose any app supported by Zapier, and for this demo, I will use HubSpot. Now, let's say we want to send a personalized video to anyone who books a meeting. Let's choose the correct settings in HubSpot, such as new contact form, connect our HubSpot account, and test everything. Next, it's time to link this to Colossyan. Choose Colossyan as your app, select Generate Video as the action event, and then go back to Colossyan to generate your unique API key. To find your API key, go into Workspace Settings and scroll down. Once you got your API key, go back to Zapier and use it to connect your Colossyan account to this Zap. Now let's go back to the video template we've created earlier and add it to the flow. All you need to do is save it as a template and then copy your video's template ID, which we then paste into Zapier. Copy and paste the link to your video template and select the rest of the settings, including how you want to personalize it. For instance, in this Zap, we're using the prospect's first name while also including the email. Since we're planning to send their personalized video as an email, when you're done, test it and publish the Zap. Now that we've set up the automation to create the videos, let's create a Zap for the video to be sent to the prospect. To do that, we'll need to create another Zap, which will connect Colossyan to Gmail or any other platform of your choice. This time we will choose Colossyan as our first app and choose the same API account we've connected earlier. Next, let's insert the same video template link we've copied for the previous Zap. Next, let's select Gmail as our second app. In order for the generated videos to be sent automatically, we'll need to choose Send Email as the action event and link our Gmail account. Once we're done with that, all that's left to do is personalizing the email. Let's choose email as our data for the recipient. Choose who the emails will be coming from, add a relevant name, write a strong and relevant line for the subject so that your email's recipients will know what the email is about in the body. We can write a short thank you message and attach the Colossyan URL that will lead to the generated video. Make sure to test out your Zap and publish it when you're ready. Now that everything is done, let's see an example of what our prospect will receive after submitting a form.
Hi, John. Thanks for booking a meeting with us. I look forward to our call, and in the meantime, let me know if you've got any questions.
And just like that, you can easily automate personalized outreach and video creation with the help of AI video.